Wagwan Island family.
Wagwan, wagwan.
It's your girl Maria.
The island boy Africa.
Island boy Africa.
Yes, today.
So guys, we've decided
to go camping
today.
For the very first time.
For the very first time.
Yeah,
so
man.
wish us luck.
Yeah.
Hopefully the tent doesn't blow away when we're sleeping.
We know nothing about camping, guys.
Nothing.
We don't even know how to fit up a tent, so this is first.
This is a challenge, guys.
Yeah, we're gonna have to figure this out all on our own, basically. You see it, so. Yeah.
I can't wait. This is gonna be exciting.
Yeah.
Honestly, I've been thinking about what possibly can go wrong.
I tell you.
And the only thing that can go wrong, it's quite windy today, so let's hope we stick that in the ground.
Yes, and it's gonna might be chilly, so yeah. And I'm planning to go fishing. Hopefully, if the weather is good, it's a bit windy. But yeah, it's overcast. I don't know if it's gonna rain and flood us out. You see it, so.
Otherwise, we have to I don't know, find food somewhere.
Yeah.
Somehow.
Yeah, so we're very close, guys. We just stopped to get some petrol, and yeah, we'll be there in like a few minutes. Yeah, man. So
stay with us, guys.
Stay tuned, guys.
Yes.
And let's see
an adventure.
Yeah, this camping. First time.
First time. Yep.
Let's do this.
Let's do it.
We on the road now.
Let's go. Let's go now.
Hello, good morning. Where do you came from? Perfect stranger I've been waiting on. Right place at the right time. Nobody can tell me you ain't mine. Yeah. To be honest, I've never been this bold. Your personality, it warms my soul. All they ever do is lie to you, baby. Tell them other niggas bye-bye. Yeah. Come over here, so I know you love my accent.
Oh, I thought it was here.
This is Woody Heads. Welcome, welcome, welcome to Woody Heads Campground. Skirt, 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 skirt. Bubba, Bubba, where are we going, Bubba? Where are we going, Bubba? It's a bit cold there today. I think people are wearing jumpers and shit. Oh, lucky we bought jumpers. Did you bring warm clothes? Group camping area, camping sites. I forgot which one we're at. We're down here. Guys, we're here. We're here.
We are here. We are here.
Scary.
So it's a camping site, guys. You know, we have to pay to camp here, you know. So I didn't know of these things.
B9.
And it's fully packed. When I say fully packed, it's fully packed.
Nice,
guys. Tent out.
Woohoo! What's this one? We're 100 and...
Which one are we again?
Hang on, guys, I don't know. We are...
Trying to find our campsite, guys.
B9, site B9. We don't know. I have to ring somebody to...
Yeah. Some assistant. Oh, these guys have their big rods out. Look at these guys.
D3.
Surfing.
D4.
Surfing on dry land.
What did I say? B9, eh?
I believe so.
They got solar panel.
It's a big campsite, guys.
Guys, big camping.
Massive.
D. So we're definitely not in the right section. This is D. D for dog and pig.
See these guys surfing, babe. Surfing on dry land.
J and H. No, we're not near J and H. We're in D. Good gas. And would have been nice to bring our bikes, babe.
Yeah.
Anyways, for next time.
Yeah, we're fully loaded. I forgot. Organize again and forward.
Yeah, for real. No, we're not here. We've got plenty of other spaces to meet and visit.
Yeah.
this is just part one.
True.
Where's the post? Is there a poster that says D and D? F. Okay, now I'm completely.
Space is confusing, guys.
This place is confusing, guys. We're lost. Maybe we should go see front reception. That's F. They're all F's.
The ocean don't look too good. It's really rough.
Oh, nice, guys. You can fish off the rocks there.
The weather,
Nice.
that's so good.
I don't even know where B is, babe.
I have no idea.
H. Oh, look, wood fire.
Yeah.
Nice. I love it. I love it already.
It's a vibe, yo.
Yes, island. Yes, island boy. Parking for boats and trailers only. Alright, I'm completely lost now.
Yep, I am too.
Where's the map?
So this is supposed to be camping site B, guys.
B here, 24.
They're playing cricket.
What's that number there?
22.
Right.
No way! This is us, guys.
Can we park? Where do I park?
We don't really have any neighbors, which is good.
No, we don't have any neighbours, which is great. Maybe we can utilise the other spot too, which is B8. Maybe they're coming later, who knows. Oh look, we got fire camp too, there babes.
Oh yeah?
But how do we do fire?
You don't know. Alright guys, so we're outside of the car, I know you see it, so yeah, we bought this, what you call this again, babe?
It's like a beach trolley.
Yeah, can pack our stuff in and move around it. Yeah, so as you guys can see, the car is fully packed. Alright guys.
So here it goes, guys.
Yeah, moment of truth. Can the Island family set up their camping tent? Let's see. Baby, have any idea?
No.
Neither do I.
Yeah.
Guys, if we don't figure it out, a YouTuber is going to do it.
Oh yep, that's right. We have to YouTube it, guys.
We have all the poles here. Wow.
Oh, shoot.
Black man camping in Australia. Guys, tell us what to do. Alright, we gotta do that then.
Let's get it done, guys. Let's get it done.
What the hell are these, babe?
Can you do? Oh, they're the things to go in the ground.
The ground?
Yeah. Show the people those things to go in the ground. Yeah.
It's because there's something so sudden, guys. We didn't have time to prepare a seat, so.
Yeah, it just what it was.
Yeah.
All right, let's do this, babe. I'm just gonna pop this on the ground. Right here. Guys, we got to use this instruction manual. Oh Lord, here we go, guys. We are completely out of touch. This is not our zone right now.
That's it. We're everything layout, but we have to try to figure this thing out before this rain start pouring, because it looks like it's gonna start.
All right, let's go. Come on.
Yeah, let's figure this out.
All right. half an hour later, and we kind of got it.
Yeah.
We're just
making some
hoping
progress.
that it doesn't fall down.
Yeah.
And we go with it. So.
Yeah.
And Ireland's giving us so much trouble running around. He's not used to this. So
yeah, man. And all eyes were on us a while ago because we're trying to figure it
out.
out.
What we're doing.
but this is how it looks so far, guys. Yeah, making progress.
Making progress, guys.
Yeah, man. We get it up at least somewhere. So
it's a 5-person tent.
Yeah, so it's quite big. Yeah. So we have to put the top on.
Yeah.
And get it all ready up.
Yeah. Yeah, for real.
That's what's up.
Yeah, I'm nervous as hell because
Yeah.
I don't know. But yeah,
Let's
all
do
right,
this.
let's go.
Alright guys, so we're getting somewhere as I said before. The rain came down not too long ago, so we had to rush in the car. So yeah, back at it again. Yeah, we couldn't afford for it to get soaked inside, so let's do this. Hey baby.
Daddy, show Daddy, show Daddy. Good boy. Good boy. Say Dad. What are you doing, Dad?
Yeah.
What are you doing, Dad? Daddy, what are you doing? Daddy, what are you doing? Daddy's doing the tent. Don't go anywhere, Island.
Alright guys, so time to enter the tent. Yeah.
Take your shoes off, Island. Shoes off.
Whew.
Yeah, you can tie them up.
Hold on, hold on.
Wow.
So that's it works.
Take your shoes off, babe.
Yeah. Oh wow. Did we do a good job, guys? I think this part probably a bit too stretched. That's why it's like that.
Yeah, probably.
Yeah.
It's a bit warm in here.
Yeah, it's warm.
We've got one of these here, baby.
Oh yeah. Oh, it's actually warm in here, guys. It feels hot, actually.
It's really hot in here,
Yeah.
guys. Let's see if this one's been back for both of us. Whew.
Oh, guys. First time doing this. Noise. Wow.
Take your shoes off, boy.
Come on, Bubba. We're inside the tent. We haven't finished setting it up fully yet on the floor and all that. But we're just here.
Just trying to work it out. This is like a little cushion.
Yeah.
Island's waving.
Yeah, so he got a bit fussy and he just want to run around, so it was a bit difficult as well to try to fix up the tent while dealing with him.
Oh my gosh, it was hard.
Yeah, you guys can probably see that I'm sweating right now.
Yeah, we both are.
The bad part about this is we're not under a tree and it's still sunny outside, so yeah, later on obviously it's gonna get cooler or colder.
Yeah.
Colder I should say. So
and I'm gonna go down to the store now and grab some stuff.
yeah, so I'm sweating like crazy. Would like to do some fishing later on, but I don't know, the weather don't look the best, but I'm gonna try still. So yeah, expect it to be a great night. Yeah, let's see.
I just seen a bush turkey.
Yeah, see a bush turkey. But yeah man, it's hot guys. Catching a bit.
Let's catch ya. So guys, we're just chilling right now inside the tent. And just gonna show you all our setup, right? So we have 2 chairs, and then Island, look, Hi. Say hello.
Where you going? No.
We're gonna go broom broom.
No.
Hey, what's it crying for? What's it crying for?
Come on. You can't go outside without no shoes, man.
So that's it. We got a little big space in here. They say 5 people, but I think it's perfect for 3. I'm gonna take him for a little ride, guys, because he's been a bit fussy. So
Yeah.
yep, let's go.
Good now? What is that?
What's that look for, mister? The daddy's just pushing him, eh, babes?
Yeah.
Here, you got pockets, babes? Yeah, it got hot in that tent. See, it would be nice if we had like under a tree.
Yeah.
Yeah. Under a tree.
I gotta complain because it might get cool later, so.
Yeah.
Take it
as it
for what
comes.
is,
Yeah. I just realised now that there's a lot of packing and unpacking.
Today.
So the reason why I bought that little trolley there is basically
I think it would have been
so that we could,
a distance to walk to bring the stuff,
yeah,
but turn out you can park right beside our tent.
yeah. And the thing is we still need, you know what I mean? We still need the trolley for
Yeah,
other
for
adventures,
future
yeah.
adventures.
That we're going to be parking far away
Yeah.
from the
Comes
place.
in really handy.
So, yeah,
Okay,
it comes
guys,
in
so-
really handy. Look, and Bobble gets to ride in it.
Yep.
Yep. I think you can buy, what's this for? Oh, that's what I can flip it on. Okay, cool. Nice. Okay.
So yes, today guys, you know, babes say, you know, we are go camping today, you see it, so yeah,
We went out yesterday.
we didn't even get to vlog because it was so unplanned where we didn't, you know, prepare to go do a vlog and buying all the camping equipment in terms of the camping tent and the pots and everything. So yeah, we got that done yesterday and we're here today.
Yeah.
Camping is what it is.
And then this morning, you know, it looked like it was going to rain all day. And I thought, oh, well, bugger it. You know, we did plan for this, so
Yeah.
just really happy that we're doing this. This is like a first time for us both.
Yeah, man.
Super. Oh, look, a kangaroo.
Let's get closer.
Let's get closer.
Oh, guys.
Wow, look, guys. We can get close to them. Hey. Look. Oh, look, they're fighting. Look, Island, kangaroo.
Kangaroo?
What do you want to do with the kangaroo?
You like it? You want to bring it home with you?
Island, what you going to do with the kangaroo?
You want to bring him home? Hey, Bobo. Alright, let's go. Hold on.
Come on.
Yeah.
Yeah, good job. Good job, Daddy. Oh, nice, guys.
It's like the harbor, it's more calm. See you look out on the out there, that's really rough. See those
Yeah.
waves slamming?
Let's go down that way. Yeah. The water looks so pretty though. Like it's really nice. You reckon? Oh look, you can pat them, babe.
Oh yeah.
Wow. The water looks so pretty though. Like it's really nice. You reckon? look, you can pat them, babe.
Oh, yeah.
Wow. What are you doing? Sleeping? Look at him, guys. What's this? Huh? What's this? Huh, boy?
So relaxed. Little swimming here.
Oh, yeah. Look, Island, you can swim in there. In there, Bobo. What's that hole there, babes?
Must be crab.
Beautiful little waves.
So here we have little Bobo now. Wants to have a swim. You know, him see the water and go crazy a while ago. So besides him, happy have a little dip in the water. Ain't that right, mister? That boy I love water. Gonna swim? No? Alright. Alright, gong gong gong. Woo.
Nice.
Yeah. This is like a little harbor area. You can just, it's very shallow where you can swim. There's some massive waves right behind those rocks. As you can see, guys, so many different shells. So many.
So guys, we're just at the shops.
Yeah.
We just thought Babe's gonna go later on and have a little fish and see, try his luck. But we just thought, well, if he doesn't catch anything, we still need to eat something.
Yeah,
so we
so-
need to get something to cook.
True.
So we're gonna
Yeah, let's see
cook.
what we can find, guys. Alright.
Let's see what we can find, guys.
Yeah.
Oh, mask.
Oh, where's the man?
I don't have one.
Ah, let me go get it. Alright, guys, so just got my rod set up. And I'm gonna see if I can catch something in the evening, yeah? Yeah, guys. So baby's dealing with some chicken right about now. Me there see me can match up a thing. I have prawns and I have some fish bait as well. So this is what I'm working with. Alright, guys. Let's see how this works out now. Alrighty. So I have the second rod here now, guys, which I'm gonna try out, which is a smaller rod. Big one out there already. Just waiting for a bite now, so yeah. Let's see what we go on with. See if me have any luck here. Alright, so let's throw this one out.
So guys, it may be a little bit windy, but I'm just about to make some dinner now. I did forget a few things.
Waves them rough right here, guys. Oh, I'm feeling a bite. Oh, wait a minute. They steal my bait. That means there's definitely fish there, guys. So once there's fish, there's hope. So guys, look at what I caught. This is a big fish. Do any of you know what kind of fish this is? This fish is called a seaweed, guys. Yo, yeah. guys, I just got soaked by a wave a while ago. Fully soaked.
Hey guys, so here I am, just making something to eat. Yeah, some chicken, marinated chicken wings, nibblies, and some sausages for us. I've got to go get some so I can boil my potatoes and things. So yeah, I'm gonna make my salad. So guys, stay tuned. I'm just having a beer. And just finished everything. So here's the food. Cooked pretty quick actually. Can't complain. Sausages and chicken. Nice and easy guys. That's what's up. I'm gonna make some salad. And in my trolley here, I've got bread. Yes, we got bread. And we've got potatoes. But the potatoes at this present stage, I don't have my gas burners at the moment. I've got to try and get Babes to come back with the gas burners. Yep. And he's out fishing somewhere. Oh yeah, I see him down there. Oh, he's so cute. That's my hubby. Hope you guys can see me well. It's pretty bright out here and whatnot, so yeah guys, stay tuned. First night of camping and we got so much to say, but it's been good so far, so stay tuned guys. Yeah,
I was all the way up there. I'm gonna come down to this location closer to where the beach is. Ooh, and there you go, I already get a splash. Alright, so I got a bite guys. There's a fish on. What kind of fish is this? Oh, I got a fish guys. Ooh, this is like a snapper guys. Ah, yes guys, finally something bite. This is like a snapper. I don't know the correct name for it, but yeah, finally catch something guys. I'm not worthless. Ah. Whew. Alright. Yeah guys. So I'm gonna put it out of his misery, you know. First. There you go guys. Getting another bite. Alright. Oh no. Shit.
So guys, we're finished eating and now we're just boiling a pot of water for Island and yeah, just chilling.
Yeah guys.
Babe caught a fish.
Yeah, I caught one fish, you know, and I don't know, I might go out there later tonight. I don't know yet, I might get too comfortable. But not tell you, like, the tent life feel nice, you don't feel bad.
No.
You feel good. Yeah.
It's all good when it's with you.
Yeah.
Yeah, I've seen that.
Yeah, it's nice.
And we're definitely going to bring our tent along.
Yeah,
to our trips where we go.
It's full of room, guys. Like,
it's beautiful.
It's full of room.
So nice.
Yeah. Babe's worried about the mosquitoes. Well, have you felt any?
Yeah, there's one up there.
Yeah, there's some.
Anyways, it's all good.
It's like a big bug flying. Yeah. So we're there, guys.
We're there, relaxing.
Hey guys, so this is the vibe outside, you know. It's not much you can see, but yeah, Babe's here. And there's 10 people camping all over this place, but it's kind of dark still. Yeah.
Yeah, just getting a spoon.
Yeah, so we are going for a little walk, you know, go empty some rubbish and thing. We have our lights. Super nice.
Hey guys, so we finally able to get Mr. in the bed. It's dark in here. Look at that, guys. We've done well.
Oh, beautiful boy island.
A little boy island there.
Yeah.
Camping. The camp life, you know.
Yeah, man.
And we don't want to brighten you guys. Oh,
shoot.
shoot. Oh. Here we are.
Hold on. This is it, guys.
Oh, yeah, true.
Yeah, hold it down. Alright, should it be up in the ceiling? I don't know.
Yeah, there.
Yeah, guys, we're here.
We're just gonna make some hot chocolate and whatnot, and then why does it feel like it's zoomed in?
Probably it is.
Oh, it is.
Yes, it's the night start to get a bit chilly now, so
Yeah, we're gonna put a jumper on
yeah, man.
and keep warm.
Yeah, man.
Yeah, oh god, it look horrible.
Oh shit, we best to close this thing or something.
Yep, there we go. Mosquitoes now are coming in. Shoot. Yeah, look, right there. Bomba. Oh. Alright guys, so stay tuned for tomorrow.
Yeah, man.
Tomorrow.
If anything happens throughout the night, you will know for sure.
Yeah, if we get eaten by something.
Yeah.
Not looking forward to that. Good night,
Koala.
guys. Ciao.
Ciao.
Nos vemos. Bye.
Vámonos.
Okay, guys.
Milo, I do it, guys.
Get the hot water.
Hot water.
Hot water.
Wait a minute, where's the sealer? Want to stop. So guys, we're just walking along. Yeah.
Taking out rubbish.
Yeah. All the rubbish behind here. I swear guys, these lights come in so handy.
For real.
Oh shoot. It's pure light.
Right.
It's not even seeing your face.
Oh, for real?
It's literally just a big gush of brightness.
Quite windy too.
Yeah, it's windy. Look who is out here in the middle of the night, guys. Kangaroo is out here feeding.
We can actually pat them, I think.
Yeah.
You go, babes.
Alright.
I'll show them the light. Go.
Hello. Hello, mister.
Soft.
Yeah.
Can I touch too? Hi.
Remember when we were at the zoo, I think they said we're not supposed to play with their tail too much. They get sensitive up
Yeah,
with
the
it.
tail. Don't
Yeah.
Okay, I'm gonna move. Alright,
Touch it,
bye-bye.
man.
No, I'm scared.
Oh, it's feeding. It's beautiful.
Morning, guys. Welcome back to the Island Family, guys. Right now, I just woken up, so I look a hot mess. I should say a mess. And I just wanted to show you that I just gotten up out of bed. Gonna speak about how I endured the night as well as Babe. We had a pretty good sleep, though I must say we need to invest in a mattress because both our backs and sides were quite sore from last night. Island slept the whole night. He was so tired, running around all day, swimming and just doing, you know, what Island usually does. And yeah, I feel like I'm in an awkward position right now myself. So right now I am boiling up the water for some tea and coffee, and then I'm going to wash up the pots and pans that we used last night, so that way, you know, it's kind of half done before we head back home. So yeah, and just wanted to show you little Bobo is asleep. at him. Just look at him, guys. He's having a good sleepy head bubble. Got biscuits there. I'm just gonna turn off my pot now because it's I swear these things are mad. I invested in such a good thing. I would like to get the double ones though. I think that would be good.
Good morning my people. So guys, I'm out here this morning again. You see me? Paused the fishing yesterday and went to bed as eat, so didn't get up early enough. But me out here again, guys. I'm gonna see if I can catch something in the morning here. Weather don't look too bad. It's high tide, so let's see what can happen, guys. Alright? This is how it looking in the morning, guys. Beautiful.
So guys, decided to come check out the ocean. I might actually have a little swim. Bobo's still asleep. So I can see like a lot of people have sort of packed up or packing up to leave today. So Babe's out here fishing somewhere. So I'm just gonna chill, maybe have a little swim and then come back straight. Ocean looks amazing. See if I can focus a little bit better.
Alright guys, so I'm gonna show my first cast, you know? So I can go on.
So Babe's over there, guys, fishing. He's waving at us. He's trying to think. Who's that? I had my morning coffee already and now I'm gonna have a swim, but before I do that I just wanted to touch some wise words into the lives of those who may need to hear it. I just wanted to say life is short, okay? For all the hardworking people out there, take the break, take the vacation. You know what I mean? Take the vacation, take the break, even if it's just for a day or two or a week or a month. Just do what you have to do. Life is life and such is life. So we need to learn to smile more often and just let life take us where we need to be. And this is beautiful. So guys, that's what I wanted to say. Thank you for being here with us, the island family, the island tribe. We are so grateful to have you all with us and can't wait to do more adventures like these. Now, I've come to have a swim, like I said, but this looks really freaky. Do people actually swim in this? I don't know. Like, there's logs down everywhere. This is quite a scary scene. Well guys, I'm just going to jump in and jump right out. Yep, that's what I'm going to do. Alright, let's do this. Oh god, there's plenty of rocks here too. Let's touch the water and see what it's like. Looks a bit dirty, doesn't it? Oh, it's quite warm. It's quite warm. But this is a crazy part of the beach, I think. Wow, nice. I don't know if I want to get in. Alrighty. And there you have it, guys. Morning swim. The water's absolutely beautiful. I can't complain. The water is warm. Dirty but warm. Yeah. Let's go, guys.
Getting a bite, guys. Oh, fish on, guys. Oh, this one feel nice, guys. This one feel nice. Whoa, that's big. Oh, that's big. Oh my god. That feels big. Woo. That feel like a nice fish, guys. Whoa, that feels, wow, it's running to the rocks. Whoa, 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 whoa. Oh no. Woo. Come here, come here, come here. Where is it? Shit. Holy crap, it's a stingray. Holy crap, guys. Oh my god. It's a stingray, guys. Oh man. Thought it was something to eat. No way. Woo. Woo. It burst. It burst off. Try to push it in. Oh, it's gone. Oh my god. That just burst off the line, guys. I thought it was like a nice fish other than a stingray. Man, that's so disappointing. Oh. Tighten up my drag. Fish on, guys. Let's hope it's not the same thing. Oh. It's like the same kind of snapper from yesterday. Seem like these fish live here, guys. Same type from yesterday. Beautiful fish though. So there's something on my line, guys. I didn't even know that there was something. No way, the same stingray again. Oh my god. Not one more of you guys. Seriously? Is it, guys? Seriously? It's like them full of them. Oh my god. Mad hook. So guys, I just caught this fish, forgot. I didn't realize the camera wasn't on. Yeah. It's a nice one, guys. There it is.
So guys, I'm just here with Babe really quickly. So after this morning's swim, basically Bobo woke up and had to start packing everything to leave.
Yeah, man.
And so now we're at a beach. We're just going to come for a quick swim and then we're going to get heading home.
Yeah, man.
Yeah, because tomorrow's work day is another day. So hey.
True.
Yep.
Yeah,
Anything
so-
you want to say, babe? Did you have a good time?
Yeah, it was good. First time experience.
Yeah.
The only bad thing I would say is that we should have probably bring like a more cushion because it was a bit. Island stop.
Like I said to you this morning.
Yeah, it was a bit hard on our back a bit. You see, it's on my side, my hip. You see it, so more cushion I was good. That's all.
More cushion for the pushing.
So this is the first test, and we know if we prepare ourselves for next time.
Yeah. It was great though. We had a good time.
Definitely.
Yeah,
Enjoyed it.
barbecue was good.
Yeah. And I caught a few fish.
And yeah, Babe caught a few fish, so we're gonna be
Nice.
doing all of that and eating some of that later. And look at the water, guys.
Yeah, we're at Iluka.
We're at Iluka. We've been here before,
It's
but
really rough though.
it's quite close to. Wow, those waves are crazy.
Those are massive waves.
So it's quite close to where we stayed.
Yeah.
I was gonna go to another beach, but I just thought we'll just keep it close because I got to go back home and do some washing and unpack and all that sort of stuff. We both have to do some stuff. So yeah, guys, this is it. This is it. Bit scary to go swimming in this, but anyway, we'll just go with the flow, shall we? Well guys, if you've enjoyed our video, our vlog, we showed you all our first time camping. There will be second and a third and a fourth, so stay tuned for those.
Yeah, man.
We also wanted to say yeah, thank you.
Yeah, big up and respect for being here.
Yeah.
Reach this far into the video. You see me? Yeah, we just had a nice little swim and yeah, ready to go home. Looks like it's about to rain, so
Yeah, looks like it's getting rainy.
really dark cloud.
Real dark clouds, guys.
So,
So
what do you do, now?
stay cool, stay safe.
We
and
might
stay-
do this next weekend again, who knows, right?
True, yeah.
so-
And stay blessed. Yeah, next weekend for
Yeah,
sure,
yeah.
for sure.
Yeah, man, so
we need
stick
to get this camping thing right.
Yeah. We got there's some, little things we didn't, get right, but we know exactly what to do next time, isn't it? So yeah, man.
All right.
So until next time, it's
Take
Island
care.
family.
It's the Island family.
Bless up and big up to the Island tribe.
Big up, guys.
Yeah, man.
Blessings.
Thanks for
Stay
watching.
safe. Peace.
Guys, this is how the car look right now. Fully packed. Everything in this. The front everywhere packed. The back seats everywhere packed. Yeah, man. Catch you guys.